और Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kum shibanta ka jing pentrikam ya ka operation safer shalong khnang ban yada ya ki nongnya thuk thuk arshaka bat saushaka na ki nukinu jingja basosi ki pulit ka shillong traffic bat ki pulit ka kanhun special operation team da ka jiatre lang bat ki nongket kam shinong ka dorba shinong laim khra ha ka miet arphun retere ujliu arja phun riu kila pelong ya ka jing talasi naphang ya ki nongnya thuk thuk arshaka. How Kurwa Balapadu, Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District of Vivek's AM, Haka Arpunyo Terek Ujilio Arja Punrio, Ulapente Baka Jing Talasi Kalong Yakin Nongnya Tuk Tuk Arshaka Bat Saushaka Kiba Buat Kauyang, Kiba Pendaj Bean Yakitiar Kali Bat Kiwe ki Jing Pynkheiñ Yaka Anya Kali. USP Ulapente Batang Hakanika Miet, Ki Pulit Kilala Baki Don Prapu Ngut Kiba Pynkheiñ An, Bat Nakini Ki Pulit Kila Yo Daiñ Kuna Prapu Hejarsan Spatingka. Ya kinongnya kibla buat kauyang omshem la palai satya tat hadu bandawan Shah da ki bahayang hasem ban penpoi sok ya ki shalayeng shushu USP ula pentep baka jing talasi ya ki thuk thuk arshaka bat saushaka kan longbed Manla ka Taïew hapo ka operation safer shalong khanang man pintingila baki nongnya ki deban buod ya ki kendon anya kali bat ban yada ya ki mensim brio hasurong.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.